Research dependent. Guys, it's currently 5:43 p.m. and guess what? Research dependent! Sobra, thank you Lord! After all the stress. Ayun guys, uwi na ako and we'll see you guys on my next. Paano masunod ng video na? Hi guys! So, I forgot na may vlog pala ako ngayon. Pero today is my first and last day of exam. Kasi, actually physics ang talaga yung exam namin today. And wala na akong vlog. Maybe I'll just vlog tomorrow yung pagpapapirma ko and may papasa lang ako. Yeah, tomorrow na lang mag-vlog about my day. Last day of school, bro. Yo, it's so freaking hot, bro. Today I'm going to school kasi magpapapirma ako and I have something to pass for my physics kasi nakalimutan ko siyang dalhin yesterday kaya babalik pa ako ngayon. So, yeah. Guys, today is done. Bye-bye.